Join me as we go over some ideas of naturally reducing inflammation to be a healthier person, using just food and lifestyle changes. Inflammation is a natural response our bodies have to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to a multitude of health problems. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of inflammation and its significance in overall wellness, and then dive into some natural solutions that can help reduce it. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. And if you're experiencing joint pain, fatigue, or digestive issues, it's possible that inflammation is the underlying culprit. In fact, many of us are walking around with chronic inflammation and don't even realize it. When our bodies are in a state of chronic inflammation, it's like our immune system is constantly on high alert, which can lead to a decline in overall health and well-being. For example, did you know that chronic inflammation can cause our bodies to produce cytokines, which are pro-inflammatory molecules that can damage our cells and tissues? Or that it can disrupt our gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues and even mental health problems? The list goes on, and it's pretty scary stuff. So why is it so important to tackle chronic inflammation? Simply put, because it can have a profound impact on our overall quality of life. By reducing inflammation, we can alleviate symptoms, improve our health, and even increase our lifespan. Let's talk about some natural methods to reduce inflammation. One of the most effective ways is through dietary changes. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, turmeric, and ginger into our diets, we can help to calm down our immune system and reduce inflammation. Exercise is also a powerful tool in the fight against inflammation. Regular physical activity can help to reduce inflammatory markers in our bodies and improve our overall health. Mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga can also play a role in reducing inflammation. By reducing our stress levels and promoting relaxation, we can help to calm down our immune system and reduce inflammation. And the best part is, all of these methods are natural, gentle, and can be incorporated into our daily lives with ease. I can personally attest to the power of naturally reducing inflammation. Just a few years ago, I was experiencing chronic joint pain and fatigue, and I was diagnosed with a chronic inflammatory condition. But through dietary changes, exercise, and mindfulness practices, I was able to reduce my inflammation and alleviate my symptoms. It was a total game changer for me, and I feel like a new person. One of the most significant changes I made was incorporating more omega-3 rich foods into my diet. I started taking a daily fish oil supplement and made a conscious effort to eat more fatty fish, like salmon and sardines. And the results were amazing. My joint pain started to subside and I had more energy than ever before. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. I also started practicing meditation and yoga on a regular basis. I know it sounds simple, but taking just a few minutes each day to focus on my breath and calm my mind made a huge difference in my overall well-being. And the best part is, it's something that anyone can do, no matter how busy their schedule is. Incorporating natural anti-inflammatory methods into our daily lives can have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. By reducing inflammation, we can alleviate symptoms, improve our health, and even increase our lifespan. So let's take control of our health and start making some changes today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've struggled with inflammation or have any tips for naturally reducing it, please share them with me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking the Excel Health icon for more health tips videos. And as always, be well.